no chaos, went somewhere else. No, that's all, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. God, damn, be more of a fucking person and not an automated fucking teller. Jesus. I said, is it mail?